Hello, here's your Montana Weather Hazards Briefing. For updates, please visit the National Weather Service webpage or contact any of the Montana National Weather Service offices. This week's weather hazards include the potential for strong winds from Monday through Wednesday, increased fire weather concerns, periods of snow or snow squalls, mostly west of the Divide early this week, while periods of snow will be possible across the entire state by next weekend. Here is the latest drought monitor. Some areas over northwest Montana and central Montana continue to be abnormally dry. These conditions could have impacts later this week on windy days as the fine fuels are dry. Snow water equivalent remains above normal for this point in the season in the mountain areas. However, conditions could change over the next few weeks if a mostly dry pattern develops. This image shows the overall peak wind gusts expected across the region for the first half of the week. The windiest areas are likely to be east of the Divide over north central Montana and down by the Livingston areas. Travel could be difficult at times for high-profile vehicles, along with the blowing dust problems that have developed over portions of north central Montana. Overall, some high wind highlights might be needed for portions of the region later this week. This image shows the areas of concern in terms of burning index this week. Note, this map does not take into account snow cover, but overall locations over the northern plains that have melted out could have increased concerns during periods of windy conditions later this week. There will continue to be a chance for snow showers Monday and Tuesday over northwest Montana and the Rocky Mountain front. Some travel impacts are possible, depending on the snowfall rate and the time of day the snow falls. We are starting to move into the time of the year where daytime heating can limit some impacts because of melting. Overall, there is the potential that some winter highlights might be needed for some areas at times, especially the higher elevation passes. Snow squalls are likely to continue into Wednesday. Some forecast models indicate the potential for snow squalls to develop, especially west of the Divide. Snow squalls could result in short periods of difficult travel if the snow squalls develop over heavily traveled roadways. Some forecast models indicate the potential for a late season winter storm to move through the region next Saturday or Sunday. The forecast models have been a bit uncertain about the timing and strength of this system. Thus, our overall confidence in the storm next weekend is low at this time. Continue to monitor updates throughout the week on this potential weather system. Here's the latest 7-day forecast in terms of precipitation amounts. Because of the uncertainty in the weather system next weekend, precipitation amounts east of the Divide are not very high. Along and west of the Divide, because of the numerous snow showers early in the week, confidence is a bit higher for higher precipitation amounts. In looking at the extended forecast, below normal temperatures are favored for areas west of the Divide, while above normal temperatures are favored along the Montana-North Dakota border. In terms of precipitation, overall, above average precipitation is favored. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, contact any of the 4 Montana National Weather Service offices.